Welcome back my YouTube channel. Introduction, we kick off with an overview of what makes the 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS a must-see for car enthusiasts. Everywhere from its rich heritage to its anticipated comeback, this introduction sets the stage for the thrilling features that follow. Interior design. Step inside the new Chevelle SS and discover a blend of classic muscle car charm with modern luxury. We explore the high-quality materials, advanced tech features, and driver-centric layout that make the interior a perfect mix of comfort and performance. Exterior design. The 2025 Chevy Chevelle SS is a sight to behold. We dive into its bold, aggressive exterior that stays true to its iconic roots while embracing contemporary design trends. From the sleek lines to the aerodynamic enhancements, every detail is crafted to turn heads. Market position. Where does the new Chevelle SS stand in today's competitive automotive market? We discuss its place among other muscle cars, its pricing strategy, and how it stacks up against rivals in terms of value and appeal. Performance. Finally, we break down what's under the hood. The 2025 Chevelle SS promises a thrilling driving experience. With its powerful engine options, refined handling, and cutting-edge performance technologies, is this the ultimate muscle car? We find out. Thank you for watching.